right, we got good news today. Got a snowcat and he's dug part of our street out and we hear him up here. So we're gonna go take a look, see if he can get us out of here. Get us out of here. Get us out of here. Oh yeah. Look at that, snow getting moved. So there's the house up there. Got to get down this road to where we're at and down a little more. But he's on the way. We're making some progress. We're gonna actually get out of here. Oh, look at all that snow. Just packed in there. Ooh, oh. We're getting out of here.